sucker, huh? God dang. But believe it or not, I know a road that'll embarrass every road in this whole fucking country. Whew. There's people that want their dogs on this road, so I'm not out here to break a record. That's for sure. It's winter, you know, it's winter time, boys. Everybody enjoying here. This is when everybody does their mods and shit, right? So, good time of year. Second year. Yeah. There's a nice view up that way, but honestly, turning around is a bitch. So watch another one of my videos, you'll find it. Woo! Okay. Now let's test out these tank pads. See if those fucking things help coming downhill. That was killing me. So far it's helped a lot, but I've had a bandanas coming down to my eyes. It's annoying. Feels nice though, with all the leathers and extra layer of warm shit. It's not bad. My tires aren't great, but it's fine. I want to say these RS11s don't heat up too good. Or fast or some shit, I don't know how you say it. They're not the best for that. But in the summer, or when it was like 70, they were great. That's all I really need. I don't like to ride when it's under 60 usually, so. I wouldn't recommend you look around while you're riding either. If you're up here and you're new, just look where you're fucking going. Don't watch my dumb ass. I'll tell you, the R-1, man, in the turn, the swoop, it holds the turn. God, like, really good. Especially after my suspension work, obviously. But the flickability is in question, to me, compared to my last bike, which was a naked 1000cc bike with high handlebars and lower foot pegs, where you really were at your center. And you could just make the bike go wherever. And the one before that was way better. MT-07 was like 400 pounds. Woo, full suspension. Woo. That thing right here, I'd be going twice as fast as I go on this damn R1 through here. Not in the turn though. That's the hard part to explain to a lot of people. So when you see a racetrack and it's all mostly flat and shit, and there's these fucking long band elbow down Marquez turns shit, you know. That's what this bike I'm sitting on is made to do better than anything on the planet. The only thing that could beat this bike is a fucking Indy car. That's it. Not this bike in particular, but motorcycles in general. The Indy car, and it doesn't beat them on the straightaway, believe it or not. It beats them on the fucking turn. craziest video I've ever seen, dude. So, and the tank pads help a lot. But personally, my personal opinion on it, get a naked bike. They don't look as cool, I'll give you that. I have real. But boy, they're so much easier every day. Moving it around the garage, doing all this other shit. Riding it is easier. Moving it around, turning around. Like, I would never have thought twice to go to the top of the hill before. But because I'm on this fucking $20,000 fucking race bike here, with these clip-ons that don't have a turning radius of fucking anything, you know, I didn't do it. So it really is starting to affect where and how I ride. That's about as fast as I could go on the last bike, maybe a little faster. But the difference was I could go through the next turn faster because I was easy to flip, you know. So I don't know if you're like me and you don't know. I didn't know. I rode sport bikes on my channel, and I rode ones that aren't on my channel for certain customers. So it's there. I like those ones better than, you know, I like this one better than those ones, but the ZX6R was a million times more comfortable. So that's my opinion on naked bikes now, and crotch rockets, and everything has a place, but goddamn if this one's, you know, places on the racetrack, to be honest with you. So thanks for watching. Peace.